Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to brand video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix if your Instagram is not sending the messages on your iPhone or Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So there are a couple of ways to fix the problem. So what you need to do is just follow my instructions. For first method, what you need to do is just open up your settings app on your device and then tap your on general and then scroll it down here and tap on background app refresh, and from here you have to turn the tool off for the Instagram and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second method. For that, what you need to do is just open up here Instagram, and then from here what you need to do is just from here sign out your Instagram and then sign back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed, and if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just go for the next method. For that, what you need to do is just open up here App Store and here search for that Instagram, and from here you have to make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. If any update is available, then you have to update your Instagram like this. So after this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not, and if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just go for the next method. For that, again open up your settings app on your device and then scroll it down and tap here on general, and again scroll it down here and tap on iPhone storage, and from here what you need to do is just offload your Instagram app from here and turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn back on and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, go for the last method. For that, what you need to do is you have to make sure that you have an updated version of your software, and after that what you need to do is just turn off your device and then turn back on, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for this video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.